Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the PvP settings in Ashes of Creation. Let's begin by opening the game menu. Do so by pressing the escape key or the corresponding key on your controller. Or press this button right here. Then open the game options menu. Here make sure you're in the gameplay section and in the combat subsection. Here scroll down to the PvP settings. Here you can toggle on or off require force PvP to use harmful abilities on combatants, require force PvP to use helpful abilities on unaffiliated combatants, and include untargeted combatants with area of effects ability. You can toggle those on or off. I recommend leaving it as is, honestly, but you do you. Then simply close the window. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.